Okay, hello and welcome back again, my friends. And first of all, my name is Beslin Petrus Aminta Stumpul, and my ID is 20030500049. And on this occasion, let me give you an explanation about comparing and contrasting basic writing. Before we get to the material, I will give you an explanation about comparing and contrasting. Comparing and contrasting are ways of looking at things to determine how they are alike and how they are different. Comparing involves identifying similarities and or the differences, whereas contrasting involves comparing two or more objects or events in order to show their differences. So these are the material. A is the language comparison, B comparative sentence, C the language of contrast, D the contrast, E science experiment, F gathering data of comparison and contrast, and the last G the paragraph that I make. We will discuss about A the language comparison. So the language comparison is an effective comparison enables to highlight key concepts, key ideas, similarities and differences which improve the analytic focus. B. Comparative sentence. Comparative is a level of the focuses on equality or positive level. So contrasting to degree of comparison in a sentences that denotes in case in the quality, quantity or relation expressed. The C, the language of contrast. A great difference between two or more things which is clear when you compare them. Expression of contrast. The example is however, more than, the most, the, etc. The contrast. So in composition, contrast is a rhetorical strategy and method of organization in which an author identifies differences between two people, place, ideas, or things at the sentence level. One type of contrast is antithesis. E. Science experiment. A scientific test in which you perform a series of actions and carefully observe their effects in order to learn about something. So something that is done as a test, something that you do to see how well or how badly it works. F is gathering data of comparison and contrast. Comparing and contrasting means looking for similarities and differences between two things, which you can see nicely in a Venn diagram. Compare and contrast is a rhetorical style that discusses the similarities and differences of two or more things, ideas, concepts, items, place, etc. Generally speaking, comparing is showing the similarities, and contrasting is showing differences between two things that are related in some way. These are my paragraph. I will read it for you. So my parents are sometimes a little fiercer and often scold me, especially my father, who often spoke in a high tone of voice, so that people who talk to him will definitely feel strange. However, behind that really admire his family. It was proven because my father was the best priest in my life and my family. In contrast to the nature of the father, the mother is very gentle. The tone of her voice is comfortable to hear. So the person who is talking to the mother feels comfortable. Every morning, mother always prepares breakfast for us. Therefore, father and mother are very valuable treasures to be enjoyed. So that's all for my paragraph. And that's all for my explanation about comparing and contrasting basic writing. And thanks for watching. See you again next time. Thank you.